Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you noticed how everyone seems to be talking about meditation lately? It's 2025, and our lives are faster and more connected than ever. That's exactly why so many people are turning to practices like meditation, not as a trend, but as a lifeline. It's about finding that pause button, that little pocket of calm in the chaos. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or just a bit disconnected, you're in the right place. Today, we're building your personal meditation blueprint for a calmer, more centered life. So, let's start with a term you might have heard: grounding. What is it? Imagine walking barefoot on cool grass or soft sand. That feeling of being connected to the earth, stable and supported, that's grounding. It's the practice of bringing your awareness back to your body and the present moment, anchoring yourself when your thoughts are swirling like a storm. It can be as simple as feeling your feet flat on the floor, reminding yourself that you are here right now and you are safe. Next up, breathwork. This isn't just about breathing. It's about breathing with intention. And there's real science behind why it's so powerful. When you're stressed, your sympathetic nervous system, your fight or flight responses in overdrive. Slow, deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is your rest and digest system. It literally sends a signal to your brain that it's okay to relax. Deep breaths lower your heart rate, reduce your blood pressure, and calm your mind. It's a biological hack for instant calm. Ready to try some mindfulness? Here's a simple routine for beginners. Find a comfortable seat. You don't need to sit like a pretzel. A chair is perfect. Close your eyes gently. Now, just bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nose, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. Your mind will wander. That's totally normal. When it does, don't get frustrated. Just gently notice where your thoughts went, and then guide your focus back to your breath. That's the entire practice. Noticing and returning. Try it for just 2 minutes to start. So, how do you make this a habit? The key is to start small and be consistent. Don't aim for a 30-minute session on day 1. Aim for 2 minutes every single day. Link it to something you already do, like right after you brush your teeth or before your morning coffee. This is called habit stacking. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. A few minutes every day is far more effective than a long session once a week. Let's talk about some common mistakes. The biggest one is thinking you need to clear your mind or stop your thoughts. That's impossible. Your brain's job is to think. Mindfulness isn't about stopping thoughts. It's about changing your relationship with them. You learn to observe them without getting swept away. Another mistake is judging your practice. There's no such thing as a bad meditation. Every time you sit down and try, you're strengthening that mindfulness muscle. Alright, let's do a quick guided session together. Wherever you are, just get comfortable. Gently close your eyes if you'd like. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your belly with air. And now, exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Let's do that again. A deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. Feel your shoulders relax. Feel the weight of your body supported by your chair or the floor. For the next few moments, just rest here. Notice the simple, steady rhythm of your own breath. You are here. You are calm. You are okay. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. When you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. In this fast-paced world, it's so easy to lose touch with ourselves. Remember to give yourself permission to slow down, to breathe, and to reconnect. This meditation blueprint is your tool to do just that. It's not about adding another to-do to your list, but about creating space for to be. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, be well.